Hey everyone, Jose Garcia here from the recruiting team here at DXP. What I like the most about DXP is that I get the opportunity to do what I do best, and that's recruit for professionals all across DXP. I'm responsible for the safety department, the Southwest Texas territory, and the California territory. I get to speak with all types of managers such as Chris McKinnick and Mark Sanchez. They have taught me a few things, and I get to learn about what we do in the field, and I feel like that's what DXP is all about. We get to learn a lot about each other and new things, what's going on in our company. The best part about my job is actually giving somebody the opportunity to be part of DXP. And let me give you an example. What does that look like?
Hi, this is Blanca.
Hi Blanca, this is Jose Garcia with DXP. How are you today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Good, thank you for asking. The reason for the call today, I would like to thank you for interviewing for the service coordinator position. And I would like to let you know that the hiring manager already extended an offer for you, and you should be able to log in into Workday to accept your offer letter.
Oh my God, wow. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I really appreciate it. I'm going to check my emails right now.
No problem, thank you. And as soon as you sign your offer letter, we can go ahead and initiate your pre-employment.
Perfect. Thank you so much again for the opportunity. DXP has always been my dream company, so this is very exciting. I appreciate everything.
No problem, thank you. We'll talk to you soon.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Goodbye. For me, DXPeople means all of us coming together and accomplish our goals. I am so lucky that I get to work with an amazing team, our recruiters, the managers, the recruiting coordinators that help us throughout the whole hiring process. We get to hire the best people for DXP. So if you ever get a chance to hear one of us out about DXP, please do so, because I guarantee you will not regret it.